Greetings everyone, this is Rashi Gaur, your very own astrology, numerology, vastu and feng shui expert, simplifying Vedic knowledge for you. आज हम बात करेंगे सन के लेटेस्ट ट्रांजिट के बारे में, where sun moves its house of debilitation and it moves into a friendly house which is Scorpio. तो ये जो ट्रांजिट हुआ है, this happened on 16th of November और ये 15 दिसंबर तक रहेगा. Now what is the impact of this transit in our lives? देखिए, जब हम सूर्य की बात करते हैं तो सन इज ऑल अबाउट लीडरशिप, it is all about power, it is about strength, it is also about your soul, it is also about dharma. Sun represents a lot of things in our lives, and most importantly what it represents is life itself. When there is sun, there is life. तो जब ये स्कॉर्पियो में मूव किया है, दिस इज जनरली अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रांजिट दैट हैपेंस एवरी ईयर अराउंड दिस टाइम, बिकॉज ये अपने डेबिलिटेशन स्टेट को छोड़ के अपने दोस्त के घर आता है, बिकॉज स्कॉर्पियो बीइंग अ फ्रेंडली साइन. सो दिस इज जनरली कंसिडर्ड अ वेरी गुड ट्रांजिट. दिस ईयर देर आर अ फ्यू कॉम्प्लिकेशंस बिकॉज in Scorpio we have another planet which is Ketu, and generally when Ketu and Sun come in contact they cause an eclipse. Because Sun is life-giving and Sun represents the soul, it becomes a very important planet, and especially for those of you who are ruled by the Sun and who are ruled by Mars, which means that either you are born with a Scorpio ascendant or you're born with a Leo ascendant. For that matter, it affects everybody because Sun becomes a very, very important planet in everyone's life. तो जब हम स्कॉर्पियो की बात करते हैं ना, स्कॉर्पियो एनर्जी इज अ वेरी हिडन एनर्जी. स्कॉर्पियो बेसिकली नेचुरली represents the 8th house in our zodiac, and 8th house is all about hidden secrets. It's about mysteries. Scorpio energy is a very powerful energy, and this can be used for a greater good or for a greater evil. जब भी सूर्य स्कॉर्पियो साइन में आता है, राशि में आता है, तो जनरली व्हाट इट डज इज उस डार्कनेस में, उस हिडन सीक्रेट में वो एक लाइट थ्रो करता है, अ पावरफुल लाइट. सो इट unravels a lot of hidden secrets within us. It makes us come in touch with our reality. It makes us come in touch with our deeper hidden secrets and desires and helps us work on them better. This time, because Ketu is also sitting in the sign of Scorpio, and at some point of time Sun will cross over Ketu, and at some point of time within this 1 month it will also cross over the Gandanta point. What one must understand is that a person is going to feel a lot of chaos within himself. While you are trying to unravel those mysteries within you, while those hidden secrets or those past experiences or those past desires will come to face you, you wouldn't know what to do with it. You may perhaps feel a little fearful, but the idea is that you have to come to terms with those fears. जो भी आपके पुराने डर हैं, उनको आप अपने सामने लेके आइए, उनको छुपाइए नहीं. Don't brush them under the carpet. This is not the time to do that. अपने सामने अपने सारे प्रॉब्लम्स लेके आइए, उनको एक एक करके एड्रेस करिए, अपने पास्ट को एड्रेस करिए. जो भी चीजें, ऑल दोज थिंग्स दैट यू आर होल्डिंग ऑन टू, try and question those things, that why are you holding on to those things? Are they serving your purpose right now, or are you done with it? तो जिन चीजों का पर्पस फुलफिल हो चुका है, people who are not serving your purpose anymore, people who bring you more pain, people who are attaching you to a negative past, or things or memories that are attaching you to a negative past, it's time to get rid of those. It's time to leave those behind. It's time to face those fears. Health issues, if they are bothering you, it's time to get up and face those fears and say that if these are my fears, then I'm going to face them and I'm going to go and address them. I'm perhaps going to meet the doctor. I'm going to take better care of my health. Most importantly, Sun also represents the 5th house naturally, and 5th house is also all about our past life karma. So this becomes a brilliant time this 1 month till the 16th of December कि जो हमारा हिसाब किताब है पिछले कर्मों का, उसको हम थोड़ा सा चुकता कर दें. Life is really giving us an opportunity. So what does this mean? It simply means that you move on a better path of dharma. So be more sun-like. And what is sun? Sun is all about being disciplined. So bring a lot of discipline in your life. Take care of what you're eating. आप अपने खाने के जो choices make कर रहे हैं, उन खाने के choices को आप सही रखिए. Focus more on making your health better. Most importantly, एक अच्छा राजा वो होता है जो अपनी सारी जनता, अपने सारे country को साथ लेके चलता है. So become someone who is moving ahead with the community, who is doing something for the community. So go ahead and do that social work. थोड़ी सी सेवा भाव दिखाइए, उन लोगों की मदद करिए जिनको मदद की जरूरत है. थोड़ा दान पुण्य का काम करिए, मेडिटेट करिए, increase or enhance your spiritual vibration, do your mantra japs, become more spiritual. So any of these things that suit you, remember that when you do all of those things, life itself will start to become easier for you, and you will be able to chalk a better path or a better future for yourself. तो ये जो 1 महीना है, ये आपके आने वाले टाइम को बहुत strongly influence करेगा. Which means that the more you walk on the path of dharma, the more fearlessly you look at your past, the more fearlessly you let out those hidden secrets from within you and you question them, and you ensure that you only move forward with those things that are important to you. You are going to be on a safer path, you're going to be on a more successful path. So make use of this transition. Don't let that chaos come into your mind. Don't let fears bog you down, and don't shrug everything under the carpet. Face them and come out of this phase more strongly, with a greater determination and with a brighter light within you. I hope this video helps you. And if you want to consult me for astrology or Vastu or Feng Shui or numerology, my details are right below and you can contact me. Until next time.